Hello kids, welcome to the maths class. Today's topic is Roman numerals. In our syllabus, we have Roman numerals from 1 till 50, but today we will only learn how to write Roman numerals from 1 till 20. The objective of today's learning is to understand how to write the Roman numerals 1 till 20. Roman numerals. Now kids, there are 7 symbols used in mathematics for Roman numerals, but here today I am going to discuss 4 symbols with you because we are going to discuss Roman numerals till 1 till 50. Now kids, I have written down the Hindu numerals over here. Now see, 1 in Roman numerals is represented by I. 5 is represented by V, 10 is represented by X, and 50 is represented by L. Now let us see what are the rules for writing Roman numerals. Now first rule is rule of repetition. Now read it along with me. Symbol I and X can be repeated 3 times only. No other symbol is repeated. Therefore, symbols V and L are never repeated. For example, look over here. Now 1 is represented as I, 2 is represented as I, 3 is represented as I. That means for 1 we are writing I for the one time, for 2 we are writing I twice, and for 3 we are writing I thrice. Now when we are writing 4, I, it is not correct because in the rule what we have read, the symbol I can be repeated only 3 times. So we have already written it 3 times. So when we are writing 4, we cannot write it 4 times. For 4, we have different symbol. I will explain to you. Now let us first see the next rule. Rule of addition. A symbol of smaller value written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to greater value. Let me explain to you this in a simple language now. See, for example, this is 6. Now, how do we know this is 6? Because we know how do we write 5 in Roman numerals. 5 is written as V. How do we write 1 in Roman numerals? That is as I. Now, 5 plus 1 is how much? 5 plus 1 is 6. What is the rule? Rule is we add the smaller value to greater value. Now see which is the smaller value? This one. This is 1. Which is the greater value? This one. This is 5. So what we are doing? We are adding 5 plus 1. We are adding the smaller value to the greater value. 5 plus 1 is how much? 6. So we have got the Roman numeral as VI. VI means 6. Now the next rule is rule of subtraction. A symbol of smaller value written to the left of a symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value to the greater value. Let me explain to you now. For example, IX. Now kids, we know what is I. I means 1. What is X? X means 10. Now we have to subtract the smaller value to the greater value. Now which is the smaller value? This is 1. Which is the greater value? This is 10. When we minus 1 from 10, 10 minus 1 is how much? 9. That means IX is equal to how much? 9. I means 1, X means 10. That means we are subtracting 1 from 10 and we are getting 9 over here. Now remember, V and L cannot be subtracted. We cannot subtract V and L from any number. Only I and X are used to subtract. Let us see how we will write the Roman numbers from 1 till 20. Now, first one is 1. How do we write 1? That is I. What is the meaning of 1? That is 1. Now, next is 2. How do we write 2? That is 2 times I. I. Now, what is the meaning of 2? 2 means 1 plus 1. Next is 3. How do we write 3? That is I. What does it mean? It means 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 3. Next is 4. Now, can we write I now? I. No, that is wrong, because in the rule we have learned that we cannot repeat I more than 3 times. So for 4, how we will write? We will write as 5 minus 1. 4 means how much? 5 minus 1. Now, how do we write 5? We write 5 like this. And how do we write 1? We write 1 I. That means 5 minus 1 is 4. That is I, V. Now next is 5. How do we write 5? We know we write 5 as V. That is 5 itself. Now next is 6. Now what is the meaning of 6? 6 means 5 plus 1. So 6 means 5 plus 1. So how do we write 5? That is V. How do we write 1? That is I. Next number is 7. Now what is the meaning of 7? 7 means 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. So how do we write 5? That is V. How do we write 2? That is I. This is 7. Now next is 8. Now what is the meaning of 8? 8 means 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3. So how do we write 5? V. How do we write 3? That is I. Now next is 9. So how do we write 9? How do we get 9? 10 minus 1 is 9. So 10 minus 1 we get 9. So how do we write 10? We write 10 as X. And how do we write 1? We write 1 as I. So it becomes 9. Now next is 10. Now I have told you how to write 10. 10 means X. Now let us see how we will write 11. Now what is the meaning of 11? How do we get 11? 11 means 10 plus 1. Now how do we write 10? X. How do we write 1? I. Next is 12. In the same way we will do. 12 means 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2. Now how do we write 10? X. How do we write 2? I. Now next is 13. Same way. 13 means 10 plus 3. Yes. 10 plus 3. Again tell me, how do we write 10? That is X. How do we write 3? That is I. Very easy. Now next is 14. Again same rule. 14 means 10 plus 4. Now how do we write 10? That is X. Now 4 means, remember I have told you over here, 4 means 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. How much is 5 minus 1? That is 4. So how do we write 4? V. Now next is 15. How do we write 15? 15 means 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5. How do we write 10? X. And we know how do we write 5? V. Next is 16. Again 16 means 10 plus 6. How do we write 10? That is X. And how do we write 6? I have told you over here, 5 plus 1 is 6. So 5 and 1, that is V and I. It becomes 16. Now next is 17. 17 again means 10 plus 7. How do we write 10? That is X. How do we write 7? That is 5 plus 2. That means V, I. Next is 18. How do we write 18? 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8. Now again how do we write 10? That is X. And again I have shown you how do we write 8? That is 5 plus 3. That means 5 plus I. So 18 is X, V, I. Next is 19. Again 19 means 10 plus 9. Now how do we write 10? That is X. How do we write 9? I have shown you here. 10 minus 1 is 9. That means I, X. Next is 20. Now if 10 means 1x, then 20 means how many x? 2x, because 10 plus 10 is how much? 20. So over here we will write down x. 10 plus 10. So kids, this is how we have to complete the Roman numbers from 1 till 20. Now kids, let's recall what we have learned today. First of all, we have learned the 4 main symbols, that is 1 is written as I, 5 is written as V, 10 as X and 50 as L. Then we have learned about the rules, that is first rule is rule of repetition. Symbol I and X can be repeated only 3 times, but symbols V and L are never repeated. Number 2 is the rule of addition. A symbol of smaller value written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. Rule 3 is rule of subtraction. A symbol of smaller value written to the left of a symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value to the greater value. And then finally we have learned how to write the Roman numbers from 1 till 20. I hope kids you have understood the concept of Roman numerals from 1 till 20. Now complete the work that has been given to you in your SNAP homework. Thank you.